What kind of bike is that, Lukey?
Motorcycle?
What kind?
That's a motorcycle bike.
You're pretty good at that.
Yep. Yep, I was meant to do that.
Of course. Can you do it again?
Oh, man.
What was that? You okay? You're silly. Okay, let's not do that again, huh? I think that we'll save that for the horses, not motorcycles.
Nope.
All right. Say bye.
Bye, Chacho.
Bye, Chacho.